This is the Frugal Gardener, and this is my 90-second update. It is early March in Zone 6B, but it is unusually warm. What you're looking at are the potatoes that I'm currently growing in March. I recently did a video on that. They're coming along well. As a matter of fact, here is the second container of potatoes. I harvested some collard greens today. I'm going to have to harvest some more of those. Here are two of my blueberry plants that are starting to bud, blueberry bushes. Bought these last year. I'm going to have to transfer these into larger pots. This is one of my new Meyer lemon trees I bought last year. This is a dwarf orange tree. All of this is going to have to be transferred this spring into larger containers. And back over this way is one of my containers of elephant garlic that's growing back here. And basically I'm just bringing everything out, trying to get some sunshine into it. This is not all of what's going on, but this is a good idea. It gives you a good idea of where I am so far. So this is your quick update. This is a Frugal Gardener. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Have a great day.